Hi everyone. So in this video we are having the Act 3 Scene 1 MCQs question of your Macbeth textbook. So basically these all are very important MCQs that are very helpful for your board exams, for your upcoming exams. So we'll discuss all these MCQs in detail with explanation. So let's begin with the question number 1. Thou has it now, King, Cawdor, Glenius, all, as the weird woman promised, and I fear thou placed most flawly for it. So the question is, how does Banquo feel about Macbeth's accession to the throne? Now the option is he is happy for him. B option he is indifferent. C he is suspicious. या फिर D he is jealous. So the correct answer is C part. He is suspicious. Now let's move to question number 2. Banquo is contemplating the prophecies given by the witches. What does he fear about Macbeth in Act 3, Scene 1 of Macbeth? Now the options are Macbeth will kill him. B option Macbeth will lose all his mental stability. Macbeth will turn into dictator. FID. Macbeth has adopted most special methods in order to attain kingship. Now the correct answer is D part. Now let's move to question number 3. What will set Banquo up in hope? Now the options are A. हाय एवरीवन, तो इस समय हमारे पास है आपकी ओसवाल की सीयूईटी की क्वेश्चन बैंक बुक। तो इसका हम एक क्वेश्चन देखेंगे कि विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज़ नॉट ट्रू अबाउट गॉस लॉ। तो ए, गॉस लॉ इज़ नॉट मच यूजफुल इन कैलकुलेटिंग इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फील्ड व्हेन द सिस्टम हैज सम सिमेट्री। फिर गॉस लॉ इज बेस्ड on the inverse square dependence on distance contained in the Coulomb's law. या सी, Gauss law is true for any closed surface. या फिर डी, the term q on the right side of Gauss law includes sum of all the charges enclosed by the surface. तो इसका आंसर है ए पार्ट। Gauss law is not much useful in calculating electrostatic field when the system has some symmetry. तो बेसिकली ये बुक आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल हो सकती है। ये आपकी सी की ओसवाल की क्वेश्चन बैंक बुक है। तो मैं इस बुक के बारे में आपको थोड़ा सा डिटेल में बता दूं तो आप देख सकते हो कि ये NTA CUET UG के लिए क्वेश्चन बैंक है, फिजिक्स की बुक है। इसमें आपको सभी चैप्टर वाइज क्वेश्चन मिल जाएंगे, जिसमें आपके सभी क्वेश्चन पेपर इंक्लूडेड है 2023 का भी, और नए पैटर्न के क्वेश्चन है। 1100 प्लस MCQs क्वेश्चन है और 2024 के प्रॉपर इसी सिलेबस पे बेस्ड है। इसमें सभी चैप्टर्स कवर्ड हैं, आप देख सकते हो, और बहुत हेल्पफुल बुक हो सकती है। सो इसकी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगी, उससे आप परचेज कर सकते हो। So this is all. Fulfillment of prophecies of witches in Macbeth's case. B part, Macbeth's accession to throne. या फिर C part, prophecy of witches made for Banquo. या फिर D, Francis escape from clutches of murderers. Now the four part are these. First, only A is correct. या फिर A and C is correct. या फिर third part only D is correct, or only C and D. So the correct answer here is second part, A and C. Now let's move to question number 4. How does Banquo respond to Macbeth's invitation to feast? Now the option is A, he declines. B, he reluctantly agrees. The C part, he readily agrees. F D, he is hesitant. Now the correct answer of this is C part, he readily agrees. Now let's move to question number 5. Lady Macbeth. If he had been forgotten, it had been as a gap in our great feast, and all thing unbecoming. Now the options are A. Why is the word gap significant? Now the option is A. It is an instant of intense sarcasm. या फिर B, it is an instance of intense dramatic irony. और C part, it is an intense instance of foreshadowing. या फिर D, it is an instance of wit and humor. Now these are the four part. Only first only A and D. Second only B. Third only B and C. या फिर D, fourth only A and C. Now the correct answer is third one, B and C. Okay, now let's move to question number 6. What is the purpose of solemn supper Macbeth invites Banquo to attend? Now the option A is to confer upon Banquo honors and rewards. Now B part, to hatch a conspiracy against Banquo. C part, to celebrate Macbeth's accession to throne. Or D part, to confront Banquo about his suspicions. Now the correct answer of this is C part. Now let's move to question number 7. Banquo's soliloquy in opening of Act 3 Scene 1 shows that A part, he is influenced by prophecies of the witches. B part, he will use all means to secure throne. C part, he intends to kill Macbeth. या फिर D, all of the above. Now the correct answer is A part. Now let's move to question number 8. What does Macbeth refer to as grave and prosperous? A part, banquets present at banquet. B part, banquets advice. C, banquets contemptness. या फिर D, banquets murder. Now the correct answer is B part. Now let's move to question number 9. Macbeth. Tonight we hold a solemn suppers and I will request your presence. Which characteristic trait of Macbeth is evident in his invitation to banquet? Now A part, his diplomacy. B, his humility. C, his benevolence. या फिर D, his hypocrisy. Now the correct answer is D part, his hypocrisy. Now let's move to 10th question. Let your highness command upon me, to which my duties are with a most indissoluble tie forever net banquet. First, why is Banquet's elegance in sep fly bound to King Macbeth? Now the first part is Macbeth is his kinsman. B part, Macbeth is a dictation. C, the feudal tie between a liege lord and his vassals are hereditary. And the D part, Banquet would be root and father of many kings. Now the correct answer of this question is C part. Now let's move to second part. What is Banquet's attitude towards King Macbeth here? Okay. Now the first part is Banquet loves Macbeth. B, Banquet is jealous of Macbeth. C, Banquet is being hypocritical. F D part, Banquet fears Macbeth. The correct answer is C part. Banquet is hypocritical. Now let's move to question number 11. What does the question "ride you this afternoon" signify in Act 3 Scene 1? Now the first part is shows Macbeth's fondness for Banquet. B part, shows Macbeth's dismutation. C, shows Macbeth's murderous or sinister plans. या फिर D, both B and C. Now the correct answer is D part, both B and C. Now let's move to question number 12. Which of the following questions asked by Macbeth does not imply Macbeth's criminality and that he has mastered the art of dissimulation? Now the first is, was it not yesterday we spoke together? B part, goes fleance with you. If C, ride you this afternoon. Or D, it's far you ride. Now the correct answer is A part. Was it not yesterday we spoke together? Now let's move to question number 13. Why are Malcolm and Donalbain called bloody cousins in Act 3 Scene 1? Now the A part is they have committed regicide. B part, they have committed parricide. C, they have committed felony. If it D, they have committed matricide. Now the correct answer is B part, they have committed parricide. Now move to question number 14. Macbeth, we hear our bloody cousins are bestowed in England and in Ireland, not confessing their cruel parricide, filling their hearers with strange invention. A, he is referring to accusation of Malcolm and Donalbain against himself. B part, he is referring to the conspiracies hatched by Malcolm and Donalbain against Macbeth and Banquo. Third part, he is referring to confessions of Malcolm and Donalbain. Or D part, he is referring to accusation of Malcolm and Donalbain against each other. The correct answer is A part. Now moving to question number 15. Goes fleance with you. Why does Macbeth pump out necessary information about fleance? A part, to ensure safety of fleance. B, to ensure execution of plot against Bank. To ensure accession of fleance to throne. To ensure killing of Bank and fleance. And the correct answer is D part, to ensure killing of Bank and fleance. Now let's move to question number 16. What does Macbeth wish for Banquo's horses? A part, to be fast and steady. B part, to be slow and exhausted. To be lost in night. D, to be ridden by fleance. Now the correct answer is A part, to be fast and steady. Now let's move to question number 17. Macbeth asks attendants and other lords to be master of his time till. Now the option is A, 8 at night, B 7 in morning, C 7 at night, या फिर D 6 at night. And the correct answer is C part, 7 at night. Now let's move to question number 18. Why does Macbeth suggest we will keep ourselves till supper till alone in act 3rd scene 1 of Macbeth? Option A, to enjoy company of guests at banquet all more pleasantly. B part, to enjoy sound deep, to prepare themselves for banquet. या फिर D, to complete their duties. And the correct answer is A part. Now let's move to question number 19. Macbeth. To be thus is nothing, but to be safely thus are fears in banquetistic day. Now if to be thus is nothing, what is the real thing? And the first option is to be king in name only. B part. To be king, ruling in safety, free from all challenge, without fears of being dethroned. C part. To be king with many heirs. D. To be king served by loyal attendants. The correct answer is B part. So let's move to question number 20. What is the reason behind Macbeth's restlessness to get rid of Banquo? A. The greatness of Banquo arouses Macbeth's jealousy. B part. The suspicious that Banquo may attempt to assassinate him. C part. The possibility that Banquo may root and father of many kings. D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D part. All of the above. Let's move to question number 21. What does Macbeth fear about Banquo's wisdom? A part, how it will lead to Banquo's downfall. B, that it will guide Banquo's valor to dangerous actions. C, that it will make Banquo too confident. या फिर D, that it will ruin Macbeth's own genius. And the correct answer is B part.